Welcome to Paragon Hotel in Brunswick, Georgia. Located in the heart of the Golden Isles, our hotel offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and Southern hospitality. Whether you are visiting for business or pleasure, you'll find our luxurious accommodations, amenities, and service to be second to none. Our elegantly appointed guest rooms are perfect for relaxation, featuring all the modern amenities you'd expect from a luxury hotel like an elevator, vending machine, an express check-in or check-out. Enjoy a swim in our sparkling outdoor pool with sun umbrellas and loungers, or a workout in our fully equipped gym. Our trained staff is available to make your stay as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. For those wanting to explore the area, we're just a short drive from historic downtown Brunswick, historic sites, St. Simon's Island, and many shopping options. Do come and stay with us to experience the best of Georgia hospitality at Paragon Hotel in Brunswick. Visit us at www.theparagon.us